Well, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Look what I've got today. Now, is it vintage radio? Not really. Not by a long shot. Not with something with FM AFC written on it. It's got 1932 written on it. On some plastic that's covered with some sort of brass paint. Yeah, okay. Today, on the bench, one of mine, dug out down the back. We're just filling in another video from while I'm on my trip. So I'm not home to get the real vintage done. So we're going to just record a couple of these so I can just bring them up. Model, it's a Lenoxx. CR418. Okay. Not much to it. FM aerial. Now we'll have to undo that if we're taking the back off. Well, we don't know whether we're taking the back off. I don't quite know what's wrong with it other than there's a hole in the side dialyzer. Yeah. How are we going to fix this? I don't know yet. I really don't know. It's probably, yeah, I don't know. It's some sort of rubbish veneer. This is a cheap and nasty thing. I don't know why we're mucking around with it, but anyway, it looks good from the front. It adds to the collection. A few little marks on it, but overall, not too bad actually. As needs a bit of a brush up. Off, volume. So let's plug it in. No dim bulb on this one, not necessary. Okay, here we go. And okay. Yeah, well, you can probably see what's going on there. Yeah, dirty volume pot. Tuning. What's it do? Anything? Are we doing well to pick up anything in here?
It's no different than normal action. It just happens to be adjacent to each
other,
so therefore it's a special.
And I'll turn one of my lights off.
This is what I live with. But I thought maybe there might be something, maybe there's a bit of a holiday thing that you
It's really strange with these lights.
Like that.
Sometimes you turn off one because the noise is coming out of the other one, and the next time you try it, the noise is swapped over to the other one.
Where the rung is to complain about each other. Really.
Okay.
Someone's rung. Well,
it does pick up okay.
Really. So if you gave that, little numbers 1300 2, or you can
and that looks like the ABC.
0.1 US cents. This is Super Radio Network News.
And that's our local station. And as you can see, okay, a dirty volume control, guys, and we'll probably give the tone pot a bit of a spray as well. Don't know whether to take the knobs off. Let's get the back off. Let's have a look. This might be exciting. It might be boring. Up to you guys whether you watch it or not. It might be boring for you because it's not real vintage. Looks vintage, but not really. I like getting my teeth into the real McCoy of the vintage. Something I can learn from and learn from my subscribers, the sensible ones that do make sensible comments. It was strange. One of my videos, well, I think it was on the amplifier, the home theatre system. He said it's a theatre receiver. It's not a theatre amplifier. And I thought, well, it's got speakers connected to it, and it's amplifying, so what would you call it? Takes all types. Okay, We've got some mouse poo in here. There's been a rascally mouse in here, and we might have a little bit of a fix. Yes, I think we might be able to patch that up quite nicely. Well, good enough anyway. There now. Yeah, and a little bit of stain. If we can rub this back and get a little bit of stain on there, guys, we're probably out of problems with the hole. Now, I bought this thing in a garage sale or something like that. It was cheap, as as you can see. I'll get my little vacuum cleaner and run around in there. I'm not touching anything in there, that's for sure. Power transformer down here. Volume pot over here, tone, AM, FM, so all nice and easy to get to. Whether we can get some spray in this pot is another thing. It looks to be pretty well sealed. We may have to remove that to get the spray in it. I hope not. It's got one can. There's a couple over here. There'll be an oscillator and one IF. Well, yeah, I don't know. Oscillators here. Yeah, I don't know. The chip in this is actually a Sony. Now, I'll try and get a number for you if I can. It is, I'm going to need a torch. Yeah, you can't see it there, but it's a CXA 1691. A CXA 1691. Sony IC. A jungle IC. AM, FM. Okay, well, I'll get my little vacuum and yeah, get this thing cleaned up. Obviously the mouse has come through the side, certainly hasn't chewed it, but that's how it come in. We've also got things like this, sorry guys, things like that down there, a little bit of wood glue and yeah, a couple of clamps on there, and the same on this side. It's just come loose in a few spots. But yeah, overall, a nice little novel radio that'll be good for the collection. Okay, cleaned him up a little bit, and now let's see if we can do something with that. I'll get my spray, and I think we can go in through the centre of that fella. Now guys, that's the spray I've used all along. No, it's no longer available, hasn't been for 25 years. So, yeah, I'm sorry, you just can't buy this one.
Yeah.
And
That's all music. Yeah, this.
there we go. Perfect. Working like a dream.
You know, but the cab,
And
$1.22.
so is the tone control.
$4.20. You know, come on, that's
There
good
we go.
stuff.
And we'll give now a switch over here.
It will surely change.
Give him a little bit of a spray.
He is, you think?
Don't know what goes on there.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's the AFC cutting in. And this is FM now. We've got a bit of an aerial here. We're on FM.
Is helping Henry North. 6-year warranty on chips and a lifetime warranty on plugging. Getting some pieces. And not emails. Finally, they do not need your consent.
Works quite well, guys. AFC.
Tell me all dressed the same, carbon copy thesis. I cut you the Japanese silhouette. I know you ain't never seen these pieces.
Visiting her, so I could just swing by.
Same style of music here as well, although we are blending.
Friday night. Your business needs more power. You're a developer. And pacing, brilliantly away. Picking blue.
I'll tell you what, guys, this is a great performer on FM. That is really good. AM, well, yeah, the standard thing. No worse than any other radio, really.
Quiz here. And then we'll have...
Guys, I'm not going to go through that. There is just, yeah, it's just no good. Now the tone pot was quite tight. It's loosened up. It works well, so that's good. The volume control works very nicely.
We'll play it next.
Do we buy first or sell first?
And yeah,
Combank can tailor a plan.
that's it. Let's clean him up, and I'll see what I can do with this. And then a bit of glue around the edges, but I'll start on this here, and maybe glue the other piece on the inside, and work out what the hell I'm going to do here on the outside. Then I'll clean the whole thing up, and yeah, not much more I can show you with it. So overall, pretty nifty little radio. Now, there's the back. Not very often you see this. Turn it around, and it's, well, that side's a bit better than this side. So now we can use this side, which hasn't been used yet. Pretty nifty. Right, guys, well, that's about the best I can get it. I can put some glue in behind here and patch him up, and then we'll colour the outside after the glue sets. So what I'm going to put across here is a little bit of tape, just some sticky tape, so that the glue doesn't protrude through it. And yeah, a very light sand, and then a little bit of stain, and I think this would it'd probably patch up okay. Anyway, it's good enough. It's not worth spending a lot of time on. Okay, the inside shot of a little bit of PVA glue, and we'll come back after this is set and have a look at what else we can do. I think that'll come up okay. Right, guys, well, we've given him a little bit of plastic surgery overnight. We've put in some glue. Let's see how it all comes out. And that looks a little bit better than what it did anyway. He's pretty well on there. A little bit of glue to just brush off there. Nothing much really. And the same with this side. A little bit of excess glue. Yep, it looks good. Now, the bit inside there, the bit in question, over here. I've put some tape over on the inside here to cover up the glue and everything we put in there. And around this side, well, doesn't look too bad. Yeah, you can see it there, but it's a lot better than a hole. And as I said, this thing, a cheap and nasty radio, it's really, it's places in on a display cabinet, I suppose, as a pretend old school radio. But anyway, that's how we come up. Not too bad with us just patching the piece that was laying inside it. Okay, let's get the back on. Final check, and that's about all I can tell you about it. Everything else, well, you've seen it. There's not much to these things. Okay.
Considerable amount of time.
Fully know how to pronounce. You can read.
Well, guys, there it is. A cheap and nasty little replica, and well, he works fine. Works really good on FM, probably AM. It does the job. It's only a local station thing. Plastic bits and pieces. It cleaned up pretty nicely. The side, yeah, it's good enough. No one's going to see that. So, yeah. Okay, now this video, I'd say I'll be a week or so into my trip. I'd say down Victoria, southern Australia, southeastern Australia, and then we're going across to New South Wales probably in the next couple of weeks. Now, if you want to follow those adventures, that's on my other channel, which is Travel, See and Do, and if you want to find it on YouTube. Links up here somewhere. Travel, See, Do 1. Number 1. Not O-N-E. Okay. Travel, See, Do 1. And that'll take you to the other channel. It's just a caravanning type recreation channel that I'm beginning to share our adventures as we go around, see different spots. It might give you some clues as to some really good spots to visit. And what's the cheapest? What's the dearest? We do it on the cheap. We've got a caravan and a four-wheel drive, and we try and do it as cheaply as we can and cut corners where we can. So we try and advise, if you haven't got a lot of cash, you can still get out there and still see the great outdoors, especially in Australia. Great country. Okay, catch us next time. Bye for now. Oh, please remember to subscribe, especially on my other channel. Okay then. We'll catch you later. Bye.